Good morning, students. Now today we'll do some examples. We'll practice more questions. Okay, so the question is, express following in the, these are the important questions, okay, in the standard form. A plus IB. Number 1, 1 by 3 minus 4i. If questions are repeated, then you can skip. Okay, if 1 or 2 questions are repeated, then answer 1 by 3 minus 4i is equals to, will rationalize. So 3 minus 4i, 3 plus 4i, and over here 3 plus 4i is equals to 3 minus 4i, 3 plus 4i. So 3 squared plus 4 squared. Over here 3 plus 4i is equals to 3 squared 9 plus 4 squared 16. Over here 3 plus 4i. Now 16 plus 9, you will get 25. So 3 plus 4i is equals to 3 by 25 plus 4 by 25i. Clear? Now second question. Second question is also very important. 1 by 1 minus 2i plus 3 by 1 plus I, 3 plus 4i by 2 minus 4i. So what will be the solution? First of all, I will solve this bracket. Okay, this I will keep as it is. So I will take LCM over here. 1 minus 2i into 1 plus I. So over here 1 plus I plus 3 into 1 minus 2i is not here, 1 plus I is here, so this bracket will be there. So 1 minus 2i multiplied by 1 minus 2i, and 3 plus 4i by 2 minus 4i is equals to, now solve this. 1 plus I plus 3 minus 6i, okay, upon AC minus BD plus I, AD plus BC. With the help of that, you will get 1 plus 2. If you are not comfortable, then you can simply multiply. Plus I, 1 minus 2, okay, into 3 plus 4i by 2 minus 4i is equals to, now 1 plus 3, you will get 4, minus 6i plus I minus 5i, divided by, over here 2 plus 1, 3, minus I. So this is one bracket and the another is 3 plus 4i by 2 minus 4i. Clear up to now? Now next, these two brackets and these two brackets. So 4 minus 5i, 3 plus 4i by 3 minus I, 2 minus 4i is equals to, again multiplication, okay. I will write directly AC minus BD plus I, AD plus BC, that will be 12 plus 20 plus I, 16 minus 15 whole divided by 6 minus 4 plus I minus 12 minus 2, okay. So you will get is equals to, you will get 12 plus 20, that will be 32 plus I by 2 minus 14i. You will get this as answer. Again, this is not of the form A plus IB, or this is not of the standard form. So you need to rationalize again, or further you need to rationalize. Okay, so what I get, 32 plus I by 2 minus 14i. Okay, this was the last step what I got. 32 plus I by 2 minus 14i. So again I will rationalize it with 2 plus 14i. So 2 minus 14i into 2 plus 14i, 32 plus I and 2 plus 14i is equals to, you will get again AC minus BD plus I, AD plus BC. So you will get 64 minus 14 plus I, 32 into 14, 4, 4, 8 plus 2. The whole divided by 2 square plus 14 square, 2 square and 14 square. So you will get 50 plus I 450 upon this will be 200, because 2 square is 4 and 14 square is 196. So you will get 200 is equals to 50 by 200 plus I 450 by 200. Okay, cut 5 4s are okay, and over here 9 and 4 5s and 9 5s is equals to 1 by 4 plus I 9 by 4. Okay, so how many things we have done in this particular question. First of all, we have taken this bracket, we have solved this bracket. Okay, now over here I have taken LCM, then I will multiply with cross multiplication, or you can say 1 minus 2i with this, as 1 plus I only is here, and over here 1 plus I is not there, so I will multiply this with 1 plus I. Okay, and this two together, this bracket as it is. Now I have solved simple multiplication over here, and the numerator and denominator in both, this bracket as it is. Then I have simplified this bracket, so I got 4 minus 5i by 3 minus I, and this bracket as it is. Now we have two brackets, these two in multiplication and these two in multiplication. Again I have solved you can do simple multiplication as well as direct use formula AC minus BD plus I, AD plus BC. So you will get this as 32 plus I by 2 minus 14i. Now continue. Now I got this as final form, but again this is not the form of a plus IB or standard form. So again I have to rationalize this. So I have multiplied this with 2 plus 14i in numerator and denominator both, and then again the same procedure I have solved, and at last I have got A plus IB. Okay, so this is the standard form. Now let's do the next example. Number 3. 3 minus under root minus 16 upon 1 minus under root minus 9. Okay, now we all know under root 4 is equals to 2, you will get 2. But what about under root minus 1 or under root minus 4? So you will get answer 2i, because the square root of negative number you will get always a complex number. Okay, this is square root of 4, you will get 2, but square root of negative number, that is minus 4, you will get 2i. Okay, we have already studied. Okay, when we have seen the definition of complex number, at that time I have already given, right? That is square root of 1 is equals to I. You will not get 1i. Square root of minus 4, you will get 2i. So 1i is nothing but I. So square root of minus 1, you will get I. Square root of minus 4, you will get 2i. But if it is a square root of 4, you will get 2. If it is square root of 1, you will get 1. So keep this in mind. Square root of any negative number, you will get complex number. that is in the form of I. Okay, so over here now let us come to the example. 3 minus under root 16 minus under root 16, 1 minus square root of minus 9. So the solution is, this is 3 as it is, minus. Now square root of minus 16. What is square root of 16? You will get 4. But the square root of minus 16, you will get 4i. Clear? Divided by 1 minus sign as it is. Square root of 9 is 3. But what is the square root of negative 9? So you will say 3i. Clear? Now, same procedure. Procedure is same. I will rationalize this. 1 minus 3i, 1 plus 3i. 3 minus 4i into 1 plus 3i is equals to, now I will give simple multiplication also here, so you can do, if you don't remember the formula AC minus BD, so you can do like this also 1 plus 3i minus 4i into 1 plus 3i, and over here 1 squared plus 3 squared is equals to 3 plus 3 3s are 9i minus 4i minus 4 3s are 12i squared divided by 1 squared 1 plus 3 squared 9. You will get 3. 9i minus 4i, that is plus 5i. This is I squared minus 1 minus plus 12 by 10 is equals to 12 plus 3. You will get 15 plus 5i, the whole divided by 10. Okay, now 15 by 10 plus 5 by 10 I is equals to, now 3 5s are and 2 5s are, 5 2s are, so you will get 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 I. So this is A plus IB form. Clear? A plus IB. Now next question. Question number 4. Question number 4. 2 minus square root of minus 25 divided by 1 minus square root of minus 16. So its solution is, now again 2 as it is minus, now square root of 25 you will get 5, but square root of negative 25 you will get 5i. 1 minus square root of 16, again 4 4s are 16, but square root of minus 16 you will get 4i. Now same procedure is equals to 1 minus 4i, 1 plus 4i, 2 minus 5i, 1 plus 4i is equals to 2 into 1 plus 4i minus 5i, 1 plus 4i by 1 squared plus 4 squared, or you can use AC minus BD plus I, AD plus BC is equals to 2 plus 8i minus 5i minus 20i squared, all divided by 1 plus 4 squared, 16 is equals to 2. 8 minus 5 you will get plus 3i. I squared is minus 1 minus plus 20 upon 16 plus 1 17 is equals to 20 plus 2 22 plus 3i by 17 is equals to nothing but 22 by 17 plus 3 by 17 I. Clear? Now next question. Next question is also important one. Question number 5. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 I minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 I. Solution is, two brackets are given, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 I minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 I. You can directly apply formula, or you can do 1 by 2 into minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 I plus 1 by 4 I into simple multiplication, okay, minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 I is equals to, now 1 by 2 with minus 2 by 3, so 2 gets cancelled, you will get minus 1 by 3. Now 1 by 2 with minus 1 by 4, okay, so 4 2s are 8, so you will get minus 1 by 8I. Done. Now with this 1 by 4I with minus 2 by 3, so 2 2s are 4, cancelled, so you will get minus I by 6, 3 2s are 6. Now 1 by 4I with this, okay, so 1 by 16, 1 by 4 into 1 by 4, 1 by 16, I into I, that is I squared. I squared is minus 1, that minus and this minus will be plus, so 1 by 16 is equals to minus 1 by 3, now plus 1 by 16, these two with imaginary part, I will take common, minus I am taking outside, so I will get 1 by 8 plus 1 by 6 is equals to, now take LCM, 16 3s are 48, 3 is already here, so minus 16 and over here plus 3, cross multiplication, minus I, 8 6 are 48, 6 plus 8 is equals to, this will be minus 13 by 48 minus I into, this will be 14 by 48, so you will get minus 13 by 48 minus I. Now 7 2s are and 24 2s are 48, so 7 by 24, so you will get minus 13 by 48 plus I minus 7 by 24. This is the final answer. Now next question, okay, number 6, that is 1 minus I by 1 plus I. So solution will be, rationalize this, 1 plus I, 1 minus I, 1 minus I, the square, whole square, that will be 1 minus 2I plus I squared by 1 squared plus 1 squared is equals to, I squared minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 cancelled, so minus 2I by 2, so you will get minus I, 2 cancel, so you will get 0 minus I as a final answer. Clear? Now next question, okay, that is question number 7. If questions are repeated, once again I repeat, then you have to skip that question, okay, if questions are repeated. Then 2 plus 5I the whole squared, okay, so solution will be, identity I will use, a plus b the whole squared, 2 squared plus 2 into 5I plus 5I squared is equals to 2 squared 4 plus 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20I, 5 squared 25, and this is I squared minus 1, so minus 25, so minus 25 plus 4, that will be minus 21 plus 20I, so this is your a plus ib form. Clear? Now next different example. Till now it's completed. Standard form is done. Now next is, if z1 is equals to 1 minus I, z2 is equals to minus 2 plus 4i, then find imaginary part of z1 z2 by z1 conjugate. What is given? z1 z2 given, then we have to find imaginary part of z1 into z2 by conjugate of z1. So what I will do, I will find first z1 z2 by z1 conjugate. Okay, so solution is, here z1 is equals to 1 minus I, z2 is equals to minus 2 plus 4i. Okay, therefore z1 z2 by conjugate of z1 is equals to, z1 is 1 minus I, z2 is minus 2 plus 4i upon conjugate of z1 conjugate of z1, 1 minus I. What is the conjugate of 1 minus I? 1 plus I is equals to, now solve this bracket, 1 into minus 2 plus 4i minus I minus 2 plus 4i upon 1 plus I is equals to minus 2 plus 4i minus minus plus 2i minus 4i squared divided by 1 plus I is equals to minus 2, 4 plus 2, that is a 6i, I squared minus 1, minus minus plus 4 upon 1 plus I. So you will get 4 minus 2, 2 plus 6i by 1 plus I. Okay, now what I will do, I will rationalize, is equals to 2 plus 6i, 1 minus I, 1 plus I, 1 minus I is equals to, you will get over here, directly I am writing 2 plus 4i plus 6 by 1 squared plus 1 squared. 6 plus 2, you will get 8 plus 4i by 2. I am directly writing this step, but you have to multiply it simply or with the help of formula. Okay, so you will get this answer only, this answer at last. Now I am taking 2 common, 2 I am taking outside, so is equals to 2 over here, 4 plus 2i by 2. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled, so you will get 4 plus 2i. Okay, therefore imaginary part of z1 z2 by conjugate of z1 or z1 bar is equals to, what is imaginary part? Imaginary part is nothing but this one. This is called real part, this is called imaginary part. We have already studied. Okay, so what will be the imaginary part? 2. Clear? One more example I am giving. Number, what was the number? You just write down by yourself. Number 9 if I am not wrong. Okay, if z1 is equals to 2 minus I, z2 is equals to minus 3 plus 6i, then find real part of z1 z2 by z2 conjugate. Solution, z1 is given 2 minus I, z2 is given minus 3 plus 6i. Therefore, what I will find first? This part, z1 z2 by conjugate of z2 is equals to, I will multiply z1 and z2, 2 minus I minus 3 plus 6i. What is the conjugate of z2? Minus 3 minus 6i. Okay, is equals to, simply operate the bracket, 2 into minus 3 plus 6i minus I into minus 3 plus 6i, all divided by minus 3 minus 6i is equals to, you will get minus 6 plus 12i plus 3i minus 6i squared divided by 3 squared plus 6 squared. Sorry, minus 3 minus 6i, as it is equals to, now you will get minus 6 plus 15i, okay, plus 6 upon minus 3 minus 6i. Cancelled, you will get 15i into minus 3 plus 15i, and over here minus 3 minus 6i. Now again I will rationalize this. So 15i into minus 3 plus 6i upon minus 3 minus 6i minus 3 plus 6i is equals to nothing but 3 squared plus 6 squared, and over here 15 3s are minus 45i and 15 6s are plus 90i squared. You will get minus 45i minus 90, because I squared minus 1, upon 3 squared is 9 and 6 squared is 36. So 36 plus 9 you will get 45 is equals to minus 90 by 45, and imaginary part minus 45i by 45. 45 2s are, and so minus 2 minus I. Therefore, real part of z1 z2 by conjugate of z2 is equals to, now this is called real part, this is called imaginary part of the complex number. So what will be the real part of this? Minus 2. Clear? So that's all for today. Thank you so much.